Hello guys, welcome back to Things. But for today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Anbernic RG35XX black screen. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you can try doing here to solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to use a screwdriver to unscrew the back cover of your Anbernic RG35XX. So you want to gently remove the cover to access the internal components here. Now, from then on, you want to locate the connector or the battery connector on your motherboard. Now, you want to carefully unplug it or disconnect it from the power system. Now, what you need to do next is you want to press and hold the power button as well as the reset button simultaneously for about 10 seconds. So this step helps to reset the power circuit and make the battery chargeable again. Now, you want to plug the battery connector back into the motherboard securely. Now place the cover back on and secure it back into place. Now plug in your charger, check if the device is now responding. Now also you may want to avoid fully draining your battery here. So in this case, try to charge before it reaches 0%. So maybe try charging around 10% and see if that actually helps a lot. Now, if the issue persists or keeps happening or persists, you may want to consider replacing the actual device, because most likely the issue itself is going to be a motherboard failure. So in this case, it's more of a hardware thing rather than a software thing, which in this case we won't be able to do much. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.